Hi friends, welcome to my Windows 10 Explore channel. Today I am going to show you the top 7 least used settings in your PC. First of all, I am going to open my Windows 10 settings by pressing Windows plus I keyboard shortcut. The first setting is text suggestions. Go to the Windows 10 settings search box and type typing and select this first option, that is typing settings. In here, scroll down to the bottom and you can see there is an option that is show text suggestions as I type. Turn it on. This will automatically show us the suggestions like showing in the mobile keyboard. Let me show you how it works. I am going to open my Windows 10 notepad. In my notepad, I am going to type a word. Here you can see a text suggestions containing 3 words appeared in my word. You can select any of this word by using the mouse cursor, or you can also use up arrow key and left and right. Press enter to select the suggested word. There is also a bunch of additional suggested words when you select a single word. Here you can see windy day, today, and tomorrow morning, and then. Like this auto text suggestions always comes until you press escape key or double enter key. Next setting is emoji panel. Windows 10 introduced emoji panel to insert emojis in your typing. The default keyboard shortcut is Windows plus full stop button. This will pop up the emoji panel, and in the emoji panel you can select any emoji by scrolling vertically, or you can select the groups by clicking on here. And also you can start typing and you get the matching emojis. Let me show you. First I am going to type 3 and it will automatically show me the 3 emojis like 3 o'clock, 3:30, keypad number 3. You can either use the enter key or you can use the mouse button. This will automatically replace my word into the emoji. But when you enter an emoji, if you don't want to add emojis, you have to use the escape key or into mark to close this emoji panel. But in the Windows 10 latest versions, there is an additional settings to automatically close the emoji panel after inserting an emoji. Go to the settings and search for emoji panel settings. In the emoji panel settings, here you can see there is a tick box that is don't close the panel automatically after an emoji has entered. So I am going to uncheck this. Now when you use the emoji panel by using the Windows plus push stop button and type a word snow and press enter, it will automatically replace my word to the emoji and automatically close my emoji panel. This will be very helpful for the single emoji inserting. If you want multiple emojis, then just tick this don't close the panel automatically setting. For the third setting, I am going to show you the magnifier. We already know that magnifier is an old setting in the Windows OS, but in the latest versions of Windows 10, magnifier also got some new updates. First of all, search for the magnifier in the settings. Select any of this magnifier option. It will automatically move to the magnifier settings. In the magnifiers, we can enable the magnifier by turning on this button, or also use the Windows plus symbol on your keyboard. I am going to turn on this. It will show me the magnifier like this. You can increase the zoom level from the settings, or you can use from this. In the magnifier, we got a new update, that is read over click. In the magnifier options, here you can see there is a mouse cursor and audio symbol. When you click on this and click on any word to read out the word in the magnifier, let me show you. I am going to click on here.
Use magnifier to zoom in on parts of your display.
Like this. So this is the new update for the magnifier. And also we can increase the size of this lens by changing the lens setting. Scroll down to the bottom and here you can see change lens size. We can increase and decrease the height and width of my lens. And for reading, there is also a keyboard shortcut available for the magnifier. For the reading, you have to choose a modifier key. In the drop down box, you can select either Ctrl Alt, Caps Lock, Insert or Caps Lock or Insert. I am selected Insert and we have to use Insert plus Enter and to stop reading any key. The fourth setting is Clipboard. Windows 10 introduced a new setting for multiple copied content as a Windows 10 clipboard. When you press Windows plus V, you see a clipboard with the message your clipboard is empty. Let's make some history together by copying multiple items to it. This means when you press Ctrl plus C or copy any text, it will automatically store in my Windows 10 clipboard. Let me show you. First of all, in the notepad, I am going to type Windows and I am going to select it and copy it. And next time I am going to select Microsoft and I am going to select it and I am going to copy it. Here I am copied two words. Now I have to press Windows plus V to select multiple copied items and click on any item to paste it. This is very useful for copy pasting work. And for the fifth setting is changing the mouse pointer size. We all know that we can increase the size of my mouse pointer using the control panel, but Windows 10 simplified these problems and given an option to increase our pointer size in the Windows 10 default settings. First of all, in the settings box, type for the mouse pointer. Here you can see change mouse pointer size, and here you can change the mouse pointer size, or you can also change the mouse white to black or inverted or custom color by selecting any of these colors. If you don't like the default colors, you can pick a custom pointer color from the color picker. The next setting is based on mouse pointer. Here in the mouse pointer section, in the left side, goes to the bottom and select mouse. In the mouse, you can see control your mouse with a keypad. We can control our mouse with the keypad by disabling the number lock. That means here you can see we have to uncheck this. You only use the mouse keys when number lock is on. After uncheck this, just press on the number lock to turn off and you can hear a beep sound. That means your mouse with the keypad is activated. We can move the mouse by using the number pad. If you see the movement is slow, you have to press and hold the control key and you can see the speed of my mouse pointer. And you can also use the shift key to slow down the mouse movement. And you can also adjust the pointer speed settings, pointer acceleration settings in the settings panel. And for the final setting, that is creating an hotspots in your PC, go to the settings search box and type for hotspot and select this mobile hotspot. In the mobile hotspot, we can create a hotspot with your PC to give access to others. Now I am going to share my internet connection and turn on. Then we have to edit the network name and the network password and save it. Now we can share our network as a hotspot. That's it guys. These are the top 7 least settings you probably don't use in the Windows 10. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe for more interesting Windows 10 updates. Thank you.